what is difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy of a government. Generally, in the economics, we use these two terms, fiscal policy and monetary policy. So many people may not understand generally what details about these concepts. Let's today understand in detail a simple way to understand what is that difference. So monetary policy mainly concentrate the financial allocation by the government or financial source collected by the government. Example of government revenue and government expenditure. It is generally used. Fiscal policy mainly concentrate or explains the method of collection of tax or method of expenditure, maybe planned or unplanned way of spending money. The method of spending money here, the collection of policies, revenue and expenditure. So that's the exact difference between these two things. Let's understand this topic with an example. Maybe it is easy to understand what is the difference. I'll compare with this fiscal policy and monetary policy with a family member, or a family group of family. They will have some income source. Maybe they're in salaried or any business, which they have a source, a family. Maybe they can also change if it is less. If it is high, they have to increase. This both are important for the family to where exactly I should get income. Same way, he should also plan according to his income where exactly I should spend, the method of spending. Same way, monetary policy will take another additional example. If family income is 50,000 rupees, a family, in that 50,000 rupees, he will plan for food item or groceries 10,000 rupees. Families, husband, wife, parents and one kid, 5 members in the family, he want to spend 10,000 rupees for grocery. That is monetary allocation. Same way, government will also do monetary allocation for agriculture or industry. That's a distribution, allocated by the government. Same way, the family member also allocate the money according to his income. For food item, it is 10,000 rupees. That is monetary, exactly that is monetary policy. Then come to fiscal policy. I allocated 10,000 rupees for a family for food groceries. That food groceries, where I should buy. It may be a shopping mall where the quality or quantity, the offers, benefits, I should think. That's the method I should use for where exactly it's a hard work money. So where I should exactly spend. And method of spending, very important. I will always think, generally the people will always think where I should get maximum satisfaction by using less money. It's generally that is the concept of people. Same way the government do this. That is called exactly the fiscal policy. After collecting a money by the public through the revenue, it may be direct tax or indirect taxes, the government will also plan exactly sometimes plan how to spend money. So that spending money of a government is called fiscal policy. It includes the method of collection of tax because it should not burden on people, and the method of spending the money to public. This both exactly the fiscal policy. Monetary means allocation. The income is received, how to allocate for the public. And it's a different department, especially agriculture, industry, service sector, or infrastructure. Many ways the government going to allocate the money. Then it takes generally where exactly expenditure, spending. So for example, 10 lakh rupees for the agriculture. So maybe not 10 lakh, it's a 10 crore. It is allocated. And then method of spending, collection in one part and method of spending. So same with the family. He take an example of 10,000 rupees. Then he choose the shopping mall. That is exactly fiscal policy. Another additional to this, taken a student example. The parent gave money to him for the food. He can spend 100 rupees for food item. That is money allocated by the parents to the student or his kid. When the student has come to college and he want to spend that 100 rupees for the hotel, or he want to go visit any hotel, he will plan which hotel I should go. My parent has given 100 rupees to lunch. So if I go to 5-star hotel, what is the cost? if I go to a normal hotel, if I go to local hotel or it's roadside, where exactly I should go and spend that money is called fiscal policy. The parent allocated money is a monetary policy. He can save his money and he should be in empty stomach also. That's not good, but it is a plan. The method of spending or saving. That is the difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy. It's a simple example as a comparison to understand this both the concept. What is fiscal policy? What is monetary policy of a government? In economic terms, it's a different, but I just give an example to understand what exactly the meaning of fiscal policy and monetary policy of a government. Generally, the government will assign all monetary policy to execute by the Reserve Bank of India. That will execute because all Reserve Bank of India is planned to spend money. Same way, the fiscal policy is also planned where exactly to spend money. This is an example of understanding between monetary policy and fiscal policy. Thank you.